Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Tonight I'm making French Toast Casserole from scratch. I hope you enjoy it. Start this dish with spraying the pan. We don't want anything to stick. Using dry Texas toast. It's just about ready for the trash can. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quarter it, make little chunks, and it still has quite a bit of moisture in it. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just want bite-sized pieces. Okay, next is our custard. I'm starting out with 8 eggs. Put in just a splash of milk. I don't want too much. I'm going to be generous with my cinnamon. I'm using allspice, a dash of vanilla, a dash of lemon extract. So I'm going to use my immersion blender. It's just easier. I think we're going to use a little more milk. Okay, so now I'm going to take my custard. This is a custard mix, and I'm just going to pour it over the bread. It's in there really nice and thick. I want to try to stir it around so everything gets kind of mixed together and all the bread soaks up the custard. Kind of reminds me of making bread pudding. At this point, you can add fruit, bacon, which tastes amazing in this dish. Bits of bacon crumbled up, sprinkled over the top. Wonderful. Now that it's covered, I'm going to place it in the refrigerator, and we're going to put this in there for at least 8 hours.
Morning everybody, welcome back. It's day 2. Kim made a French toast casserole last night. Stuck it in the refrigerator to soak up all the nice juices and everything from the egg. It's her birthday, so I'm going to let her sleep in and I'm going to get it started. First thing I need to do is turn the oven on, let it get warmed up. 350 degrees. Here we go. So we got to preheat the oven. We're going to go to convection. It says bake or roast. We're going to go bake. We're going to press the back arrow twice, I believe it is, to manual convection bake. Hit select. We're going to push in the temperature, 350. Hit start. After I do this, it's going to tell me to close the door. Open, close, hit start. While that's warming up to 350, I'll get the casserole out. I'm going to mix this up a little bit before we stick it in the oven, get it all turned and all this juicy egg and goodness and stuff mixed into it. Don't want to mix too hard or you'll cut your bread all up. Alright, oven is ready, so we're going to go ahead and put it in. It's going to turn out wonderful. There it is. We'll see you in a little bit. Alright, it's been about 30 minutes, maybe a little 1 or 2 minutes longer or shorter. We're going to pull it out and take a look at it, see what it looks like. Smells awesome. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Subscribe. And if there's something you would like us to try, give us a shout out. Let us know. Send us a message. We'll give it a shot. We'll try anything. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.